I'm George and I run BikeStow alongside my mum Julie, dad Simon and uncle Matthew. BikeStow is a family-run business making original bike racks, with everything designed and manufactured in-house here in the Black Country.
We've always been a cycling family and like many bought a van to take our bikes riding at the weekend. But we quickly realised that there was no easy and quick solution to hold the bikes in the van without them falling over. And so BikeStow was born out of the need to solve the problem. After a few years of Simon faffing in the garage with bits of plywood, almost setting fire to the place, we were encouraged by friends to take the idea to the cycle show to see whether the idea had wheels. So in 2018 we went along with a prototype and the support was overwhelming. Fast forward 3 months to December 2018, we had a patented design ready for launch. Like many small businesses, we ran BikeStow from home, assembling the racks on our garage floor. And that's okay for a bit, until the orders start coming in.
Here we are a few years later in our own unit, having outgrown the garage. Now we have all the space we could have wished for, enabling us to bring manufacturing in-house. Importantly, this gives us complete control over product quality, so we can continue putting pride into our work. Having a love for manufacturing, owning and using all of this equipment is basically a dream come true for me. So naturally my role within the business is looking after the design, programming the machine and all other aspects related with turning a sheet of plywood into one of our racks. When my dad came up with the idea and kicked things off, my mum has really been the driving force in getting us this far. She effectively does the role of 4 whole departments as one person, doing things like customer support, front of house and assembly, to name a few.
Since 2018, we've successfully established BikeStow in the UK and are striving to become the go-to brand for the bike rack for your van. We genuinely love what we do at BikeStow. The most important thing to us moving forward is to maintain those personal and family qualities that people love while we continue to grow and develop the business.